Get millions of views, thousands of subscribers, and start earning big dollars right now. These AI-generated videos are exploding all over the internet, racking up over 80 million views and helping creators gain millions of subscribers. And here's the best part, I'll show you how to create your own viral video in less than 5 minutes. It's simpler than you think. For generating the photo, we will use Leonardo AI, and for the video, we will use ALU AI. I've dropped links to the best AI tools in the description, so you can try them yourself and create viral-worthy content today. Ready? Let's design it. Open Leonardo AI, sign in and select the image creation option to generate your image. Here's the prompt I use, a little curly lamb perched on a human thumb. You can find the best prompt in the description and customize it by changing the animal or any detail. It's just an example. Set the following parameters for the best results. Select FlaxDiv as the model and preset. It currently generates the most impressive image. Adjust the image dimensions to TikTok size by clicking on More and selecting the TikTok option. Here, choose how many images you want to generate. Once you have set everything, it generates and let the magic happen. Pick your favorite image for the next step. Click on it and download it to your device. The next AI tool we will use is ALU AI, which can create stunning videos using your uploaded photo or generate both the photo and video for you. I recommend generating the photo first and then creating the video with ALU AI for better results. Upload the photo you have just downloaded. I've already done this and will use the same image again. It works perfectly for all the images. Define the story for your video. Simply describe what's happening in the scene, or whatever you want to happen in the scene. For example, I would say the lamb is alive and moving slowly. Keep in mind that ALU AI uses a token system for generating videos. Once you run out of tokens, you won't be able to create more unless you top up. But don't worry, I've shared additional video generator links in the description for you to explore. One downside is that ALU AI often requires you to wait in the queue before your video is generated. Depending on waitlist, this could take hours. Fortunately, my video was generated under 5 minutes. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have created a video that's ready to take the internet by storm. Don't forget, all the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below, so check them out and start experimenting today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more AI design hacks and video editing tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.